guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be guiding you on Twitch live tutorial for beginners. As we all know, Twitch is actually like the live streaming platform where you can live stream your games and the rest of that. Most times it's all about game, and you can also do some live streaming about yourself and the rest of that. So I know most people don't know how to create an account on Twitch and how to use it. So first thing first, you have to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store to install the app. Just type Twitch, and you are going to install it. Once you install it, you can now click on open to open the app up. So you can see right here, someone is streaming, live streaming this gaming app right there. So you can also do yours too, and it's just like, it's looking like TikTok. As you can see it right here. You can scroll through and look at different people. So how can you actually live stream? You need to create an account. So once you click on the profile, you're going to see this where you can see log in and sign up. So you need to click on sign up because you don't have any account. So right here, we're going to wait for it to load up. So as you can see, all you requires is your username and your password and birthday month. So why okay, I can just use this as my username and password. I need a password for that. Yeah, so the next one is my birthday month. I'm going to put in my birthday and today and year as well. So the next thing is your email. So you're going to input your email right there and send it. So I'm going to save this up. So I'm waiting for it to load up. So you're going to send me a verification code, which I'm going to input. And let me check my Gmail right here immediately. It's not even wasting time at all. So let me copy it and paste it back. Twitch is actually a low-end app, like a very easy app to operate. Now, did I copy it? Well, copy. Yep. So I'm going to impute this right here and click on submit. You can see the process is very easy, and you can see once I've gotten an account on Twitch already, very easy way. Empower viewers to share your clip. No thanks. You can click on yes, yeah, not now, and now you can see this is your account. So from here, once you click on that plus sign, you can now stream games or stream IRL and create dashboard as well. So once you click on stream game, you can now enable your microphone and enable overlays. So you can do that and post. You can also post your videos, edit your profile, put in your profile pictures and your social links as well. Yeah, so you can also search for friends on Twitch as well. Just search for somebody's name, your friend's name, and you can see live channels too right here. People that are live streaming currently about their self. You can see Kinet right here. It's actually streaming on Twitch as well. So you see the app is very lovely and very easy to create an account. You can see for Call of Duty, people streaming for Call of Duty, for EA Sports, Call of Duty, and VTubers. You can see clips too of certain videos as well. So right here you can now see a lot of things like your friends' stories and the rest of that. So it's very easy to operate and very easy to create accounts. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.